Hi guys, welcome back. Today I bring to you the special vegetable soup that nourishes the body. I call this soup ofe bara. Oh, nke na ọ na-edozi si ahụ. So guys, if you really want to know how I make this soup, stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using fish. Yeah. So feel free to use any fish of your choice. I'll be using tilapia fish and mackerel fish. They are all washed and clean. Add it into the pot, season it up with some onions, season cubes,
as long as it concern food, as long as
salt.
it
I added some water to the fish, okay? This water is the water I got from the stockfish, okay? Now stir gently, cover the pot and let it cook until it is well done.
looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime.
Some minutes later, I checked on the pot, yeah. As you can see, the fish is well cooked, so I went ahead to separate the fish from the water. So once done, I set the fish aside.
Put score we active.
At this point, I added the stockfish, cow skin, Uziza powder, some fresh pepper add to your taste, crayfish, season cubes. So next I added some root known as locust beans. To know how I prepared this, watch the full video on my channel. So here I added some red palm oil, stirred to combine. Feel free to test for salt or seasonings. Okay, once done, cover the pot and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Some minutes later, 3 minutes later, okay, now I checked on the pot. Yeah, the oil is well combined. So I went ahead to add in my blended okazi leaf. Yeah, I call this soup bara because I'll be using 4 good vegetables to prepare this vegetable. Okay, now mix until it is well combined. So the next I added in some kale. Okay, add it into the pot and cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Yeah.
Put score we active.
So 2 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Wow, at this point, you can even get your swallow and start enjoying the soup though. Okay, so next I added some dry water leaf. Yeah, this is dry water leaf, room temperature, okay? So I added it in, give it a stir. Next, I have my spinach. Yeah, so here I use some frozen spinach for this recipe. You can use the fresh one, okay? Give it a stir until everything is well combined.
MIRA'S kitchen.
I topped it up with some crayfish,
Put score we active.
grilled mackerel fish, mixed to combine. So at this point, there's no single water in this soup, so I added little water. Okay, now add in the cooked fish. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook or steamer for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Okay, so I went ahead to scoop the fish out because I don't want the fish to pieces inside the pot. Okay, so after that, I mix the vegetables until it is well combined. Yeah, but at the same time, I am not satisfied with the color, so I have to heat up some red palm oil. Yeah, as you can see now, I'm adding in some heated red palm oil. So I will be mixing it until I am well satisfied with the color. Yeah. So as you can see, I've gotten exact what I want. So I went ahead and start adding in the fish. Once done, give it a gentle stir and our vegetable soup is ready. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. So guys, it's time to serve.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mama Jodo. The way they wash and cook, na so no. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they for put call we active.
And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious. Remember, I call this soup ogwobara. Iricha ikwero no name. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice, guys. Hope you try out this recipe. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next one and remember blessed. Bye.